See, to be very frank and honest, it is a black day for Indian justice system today, as Yogi Adityanath taking back all the criminal cases against him. Judiciary is releasing all the top-notch terrorists in the Malegaon blast case. IPS Hemant Kerkere's martyrdom going in vain, and innocent Zakir Naik is being harassed by our government. This is really a black day for Indian justice, according to me.
Present Modi government is very weak against terrorism. Because of that, Colonel Purohit, a terrorist, is out now. Sadhvi Pragya,
can you prove it in court? Can you prove it in court? Why don't you fight the case and prove it in court?
Gujarat rioters were the terrorists under Modi government who killed 20,000 Muslims. Muzaffarnagar rioters were terrorists who killed Muslims again.
This is not a Sharia court.
NIA is weakening the government on behalf of government. If Sharia court would be there, the terrorists would have been sent to hell. If Sharia court would be there, these terrorists would have been sent to hell.
Why I'm saying
if Sharia court would be there, these terrorists would be sent to hell by this time. You know, these terrorists would not be freed. This is totally injustice. Black day for Indian justice system, according to me. It is a black day for India. NIA is acting as a puppet of the government, weakening the case since last 3 years. The result is out today.
See, since last 25 years, the central and the state government of my nation have a habit of forgiving the bigger terrorists, so the smaller are coming up now. For example, the Babri Masjid demolishers were the bigger terrorists, the Gawat were the bigger terrorists, the people like Colonel Purohit were the bigger terrorists. So these terrorists were forsaken and forgiven. Because of that, the smaller terrorists might be coming like ISIS, etc. in our country. My request to the Modi government is start punishing the worst kind of terrorists, that is the Babri demolishers, the Gawat etc., so that others take a lesson and don't resort to terrorism.